Hey Philip, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We just got done with the gutter cleaning here. Everything went really well. We went ahead and flushed out all the gutters up top here really good. Downspouts are nice and flushed all the way to the bottom of the downspouts. Couple of suggestions for future when we come back here next time. I would suggest that if you could get someone to get these branches off your house. When the wind blows, it's just going to slowly eat away and scrape away at your painted surfaces. And then also I'm noticing you're getting some black algae, green algae mold starting to develop on the siding. The majority of the house may look good. Some of that stuff can cause permanent damage if you don't get it washed off. So we'd be glad to do like a gentle detergent wash down on your home here. This roof up here looks like it's got a lot of granular loss. Could use a little bit of love here in the future. We do provide roof conditioning treatments to help fix the granular loss. Went ahead and hosed off all the bad areas here. Gutter cleaning is all handled for you really good. So thanks so much for having me here. Got your garage this time. Got all that flushed and good to go. If you let me know if you'd like for me to, bill you for 2 gutter cleans at $450 or one at $250. You save $50 for each cleaning. So let me know. We can bill you for 2 or just 1. Once again, this is Eddie Multi-Man Services. There was a branch on the back of this house here that was rubbing up against your roof and your gutters. So I went ahead and trimmed that. I put the branch behind your garage. It was this branch right here. It was all up behind your gutters there, so kind of impeding me from getting your gutters cleaned. But no extra charge there. Like I said, get back to me on if you'd like to have the house wash done next time, outdoor window clean, roof rejuvenation on part of your roof, keep it young and well hydrated. And let me know if you want 2 gutter cleanings billed to you today or just the 1. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.